Hi, I'm Paul. This is Fun with Paul. Today's not fun. I have a 2003 C4S, and as you can see, I've got parts all over the floor. And the car's up in the air, and the wheels are off, and the engine is loose. So I can do this without knocking it off. Anyways, it is. Trust me, it's loose. The engine mount is loose, and here you can watch what I'm about to do. So you can see this. This is all to change. You ask, why are you doing all this work? I'm changing spark plugs. Shouldn't be necessary to change spark plugs, huh?